सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः, स्वागतम्। Welcome to session 19 of learning to chant Narayaniyam. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje, gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave, na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho, matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. Shri Kanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala, janaka shankaro devaha तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननम्। पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। We will revise from shloka 8.6 today. Amokha, you can start the revision.
तवैव वेशे फणिरातिशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने स्मशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवस्वरूपः स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा कालाख्यशक्तिं प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेत्यादिशता किलादौ त्वजा प्रसुप्त परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्यशक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विलोक्य लोकानखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेष सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्.
Repeat the third and fourth line.
तेष्वेष सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु.
It's not teshvesha, teshu eva, teshveva.
तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्. ततस्त्वदीयादयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम् निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपं मुकुलायमानम्.
Very good. Next, Ramya. Shloka 11.
तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलन्ते कलेवरात्तोयपथे प्ररूढम् बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननुपाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिं निरुन्धि वातालयवास विष्णु. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रलयवर्णनं नाम अष्टमं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. स्थितः स कमलोद्भवस्तव हि नाभिपङ्केरुहे कुतस्विदिदमम्बुधावुदितमित्यनालोकयन् तदीक्षणकुतूहलात् प्रतिदिशं विवृत्ताननः चतुर्वदनतामगाद्विकसदष्टदृष्ट्यम्बुजाम्.
Very good. Shloka number 2, Raghuvan.
महार्णवविघूर्णितं कमलमेव तत्केवलं विलोक्य तदुपाश्रयन् तव तनुन्तु नालोकयन् क एष कमलोदरे महति निस्सहायो ह्यहं कुतस्विदिदमम्बुजं समजनीति चिन्तामगात् अमुष्य हि सरोरुहः किमपि कारणं सम्भवेत् इति स्म कृतनिश्चयः स खलु नालरन्ध्राध्वना इति स्म कृतनिश्चयः स खलु नालरन्ध्राध्वना स्वयोगबलविद्यया समवरूढवान् प्रौढधीः त्वदीयमतिमोहनं न तु कलेबरं दृष्टवान् ततः सकलनालिका विवरमार्गगो मार्गयन् प्रयस्य शतवत्सरं किमपि नैव सन्दृष्टवान् निवृत्य कमलोदरे सुखनिषण्ण एकाग्रधीः समाधिबलमादधे भवदनुग्रहैकाग्रही शतेन परिवत्सरैर्दृढसमाधिबन्धोल्लसत्प्रबोधविशदीकृतः स खलु पद्मिनी सम्भवः अदृष्टचरमद्भुतं तव हि रूपमन्तर्दृशा व्यचष्ट परितुष्टधीर्भुजगभोगभागाश्रयम् किरीटमकुटोल्लसत्कटकहारकेयूरयुङ्मणिस्फुरितमेखलं सुपरिवीतपीताम्बरं कलाय कुसुमप्रभङ्गलतलोल्लसत्कौस्तुभं वपुस्तदयि भावये कमलजन्मने दर्शितम्.
Very good. Now we will go on to the new portion. I forgot to add the Punaravartanam title for these slides. Anyway, seventh shloka, Moha. Shruti prakara.
श्रुति प्रकर
Darshita.
दर्शित
Prachura vaibhava.
प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
हरे जय जय प्रभो.
हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् इति द्रुहिण वर्णित स्वगुण ब्रह्मिमा पाहि माम् श्रुति प्रकर दर्शित
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित
प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
हरे जय जय
हरे जय जय हरे जय जय
प्रभो पदमुपैषि
प्रभो पदमुपैषि प्रभो पैषि
दिष्ट्या दृशोः
दिष्ट्या दृशोः दिष्ट्या दृशोः
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे
भुवन निर्मितौ
भुवन निर्मितौ भुवन निर्मितौ
कर्मठाम्
कर्मठाम् कर्मठाम्
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित इति द्रुहिण वर्णित
स्वगुण बृंहिमा
स्वगुण बृंहिमा स्वगुण बृंहिमा स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम् पाहि माम्
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित
प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते
हरे जय जय प्रभो
हरे जय जय प्रभो हरे जय जय प्रभो
पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः
पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः पदमुपैषि दृष्ट्या दिशोः
दिष्ट्या दृशोः
दिष्ट्या दृशोः दिष्ट्या दृशोः
हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः
हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्या दृशोः
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे
भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम्
भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम्
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम्
कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम्
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित इति द्रुहिण वर्णित
स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम्
स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम् स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम्
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम्
इति द्रुहिण वर्णित स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम् इति द्रुहिण वर्णित स्वगुण बृंहिमा पाहि माम्
The whole
श्रुति प्रकरदर्शित प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्यादृशोः कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् इति द्रुहिण वर्णित स्वगुण ब्रह्मिमा पाहि माम्.
Very good. Move forward to the next shloka. Raghunandan. Labhasva
लभस्व लभस्व
भुवनत्रयी
भुवनत्रयी भुवनत्रयी
रचन दक्षताम्
रचन दक्षताम् रचन दक्षताम्
अक्षताम्
अक्षताम् अक्षताम्
गृहाण
गृहाण गृहाण
मदनुग्रहम्
मदनुग्रहम् मदनुग्रहम्
कुरु तपश्च
कुरु तपश्च कुरु तपश्च
भूयो विधे
भूयो विधे भूयो विधे
भवत्वखिल
भवत्वखिल भवत्वखिल
साधनी मयि च
साधनी मयि च साधनी मयि च
भक्तिरत्युत्कटेति
भक्तिरत्युत्कटेति भक्तिरत्युत्कटेति
उदीर्य
उदीर्य उदीर्य
गिरमादधाः
गिरमादधाः गिरमादधाः
मुदितचेतसम्
मुदितचेतसं मुदितचेतसं
वेधसम्
वेधसं वेधसं
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी लभस्व भुवनत्रयी
रचन दक्षतामक्षताम्
रचन दक्षतामक्षतां रचन दक्षतामक्षतां
गृहाण मदनुग्रहम्
गृहाण मदनुग्रहं गृहाण मदनुग्रहं
कुरु तपश्च
कुरु तपश्च कुरु तपश्च
भूयो विधे
भूयो विधे भूयो विधे
भवत्वखिल साधनी
भवत्वखिल साधनी भवत्वखिल साधनी
मयि च भक्तिः
मयि च भक्तिः मयि च भक्तिः
अत्युत्कटेति
अत्युत्कटेति अत्युत्कटेति
उदीर्य गिरमादधाः
उदीर्य गिरमादधाः उदीर्य गिरमादधाः
मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
मुदितचेतसंवेधसं मुदितचेतसंवेधसं
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी लभस्व भुवनत्रयी
रचन दक्षतामक्षताम्
रचन दक्षतामक्षतां रचन दक्षतामक्षतां
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी रचन दक्षतामक्षताम्
लभस्व भुवनत्रयी रचन दक्षतामक्षतां लभस्व भुवनत्रयी भुवनत्रयी रचनदक्षतामक्षताम्
गृहाणमदनुग्रहम्
गृहाणमदनुग्रहम्
कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे
कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे
गृहाणमदनुग्रहम् कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे
गृहाणमदनुग्रहं कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे गृहाणमदनुग्रहं कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे
भवत्वखिल साधनी
भवत्वखिल साधनी भवत्वखिल साधनी
मयि च भक्तिः
मयि च भक्तिः मयि च भक्तिः
अत्युत्कटे द्युदीर्य
अत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य अत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य
गिरमादधाः
गिरमादधाः गिरमादधाः
मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
मुदितचेतसंवेधसम् मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च
भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च
भक्तिरत्युत्कटे द्युदीर्य गिरमादधाः
भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधाः भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधाः
मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
मुदितचेतसंवेधसम् मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटे द्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्
भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम् भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम् लभस्व भुवनत्रयी रचनदक्षतामक्षताम् गृहाणमदनुग्रहं कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे भवत्वखिल साधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम्.
Very good. Again, here we split that third and fourth line as Bhaktiratyutkateti and Udirya. So instead we join the two lines, because if we stop at Utkateti, we get one extra letter in that line, and therefore it does not fit to the chandas. That is why we join both the lines. If at all you're not able to hold your breath, then as I have split while teaching, that way you can split as Bhaktiratyutkateti. While doing Parayanam, usually we would tell that together. It depends. Your own, each one their own thing, but this is what we are following. Shloka 9, Ramya or Arjun. Yeah. Shatam krita tapaha
शतं कृततपाः शतं कृततपाः
ततः स खलु
दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
अवाप्य च तपोबलं मतिबलं च
मतिबलं च
पूर्वाधिकम्
पूर्वाधिकम्
उदीक्ष्य
उदीक्ष्य
किल कम्पितम्
किल कम्पितम्
पयसि पङ्कजम्
पयसि पङ्कजम्
वायुना
वायुना
भवद्बल
भवद्बल
विजृम्भितः
विजृम्भितः
पवनपाथसि
पवनपाथसि पीतवान्
शतं कृततपास्ततः
शतं कृततपास्ततः
स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
अवाप्य च तपोबलम्
अवाप्य च तपोबलम्
मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं
पयसि
पङ्कजं
वायुना भवद्बलविजृम्भितः
पवनपाथसी
पीतवान्
शतं कृततपाः
शतं कृततपाः
ततः स खलु
दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
शतं कृततपास्ततः स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
शतं कृततपास्ततः स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान्
अवाप्य च तपोबलम्
अवाप्य च तपोबलम्
मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
अवाप्य च तपोबलं मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
अवाप्य च तपोबलं मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम्
उदीक्ष्य किल
कम्पितम्
पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना
पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना
उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना
उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना
भवद्बलविजृम्भितः
भवद्बलविजृम्भितः भवद्बलविजृम्भितः
पवनपाथसीपीतवान्
पवनपाथसीपीतवान् पवनपाथसीपीतवान्
भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान्
भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान् भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान् शतं कृततपास्ततः स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान् अवाप्य च तपोबलं मतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम् उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान्.
Very good. Well said. In the shloka 7, some people have doubt. In the last line here, we have Swaguna Brimhima. So also we have another Patha Swaguna Bamhima without the Rikara here. So this Rikara that we have below, the Ru, this Ru, wait a minute, I hope I get the pen. Okay, the pen is not working. Nonetheless, yeah, I think you understand. The Bru there, instead of Bru, we just have Bamhima in many pathas. In SN Shastri book also it is Bamhima, but I had learned it as Brimhima long ago. So we will stick to Bamhima only. We will not have the Rikara. I taught it with the Rikara as Brimhima. We will have it as Bamhima. So the last line will go as Iti Druhina Varnita Swaguna Bamhima Pahimam. So it is Swaguna Bamhima Pahimam. We will change it to that one. Just because we are following SN Shastri book, both pathas are right. So if in your book it is Brimhima, it is not wrong. Both mean the same thing. So we will follow as Bamhima Pahimam. Shloka 10, Ramya. Tavaiva kripaya
तवैव कृपया
पुनः सरसिजेन
पुनः सरसिजेन
तेनैव सह
तेनैव सह
प्रकल्प्य
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीं
प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरः गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
त्वमाशु परिपाहि
माम्
गुरुदयोक्षितैः
ईक्षितैः
तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन
सरसिजेन
तेनैव सह
तेनैव सह
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम्
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम्
प्रववृते
प्रववृते
प्रजानिर्मितौ
प्रजानिर्मितौ
तथाविध कृपाभरः
तथाविध कृपाभरः
गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम्
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम्
गुरुदयोक्षितैः
गुरुदयोक्षितैः
ईक्षितैः
ईक्षितैः
गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
तवैव कृपया
तवैव कृपया
पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह
पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह
तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह
तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम्
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम्
प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ
प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम् प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ
प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम् प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीम् प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ
तथाविध कृपाभरः
तथाविध कृपाभरः
गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम्
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम्
गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम् गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम् गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः त्वमाशु परिपाहि माम् गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः
the whole shloka.
तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयी प्रववृते प्रजा निर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर त्वमाशु परिपाहि मां गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः.
Very. Just finish the last part also. Iti Srimannarayanīye.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम
जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम
नवमं दशकं समाप्तम्.
नवमं दशकं समाप्तम्.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम नवमं दशकं समाप्तम्.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम नवमं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Very good. So now we will move on to Dashakam 10. Dashakam 10 again moves on to the Vasanta Tilaka Chandas, which we saw in the 6th Dashakam, and which is I think I have not done any analysis, but I think it is the most widely used Dashakam in the whole of Narayaniya. And Vasanta Tilaka is a very nice chandas because a lot of musical ragas can be interwoven into it. It can be sung in many different ways. So a lot of poets like this, and it has a very nice structure to it. It has a very nice tune also. So even Bhattatri prefers that. So the 10th Dashakam, now it actually starts, the stories start from this Dashakam is where the stories of the Bhagavatam begin from this Dashakam. But here it was all about creation and all those things. Now we start with the stories. Same, Amogha, repeated. Vaikuntha,
Vaikuntha, Vaikuntha,
Vardhita Balotha,
Vardhita Balotha, Vardhita Balotha,
Bhavat Prasadat,
Bhavat Prasadat, Bhavat Prasadat,
Ambhojayonihi,
Ambhojayonihi, Ambhojayonihi,
Asrijat Kila,
Asrjat Kila, Asrjat Kila,
Jivadehan,
Jivadehan, Jivadehan,
Thasnoni,
Sthasnuni, Sthasnuni,
Bhuruhamayani,
Bhuruhamayani, Bhuruhamayani,
Tatha Tirascham,
Tatha Tirascham, Tatha Tirascham,
Jatim,
Jatim, Jatim,
Manushya Nivahanapi,
Manushya Nivahanapi, Manushya Nivahanapi,
Deva Bhedan,
Devabhedan, Devabhedan,
Vaikunthavardhita,
Vaikunthavardhita, Vaikunthavardhita,
Balotha Bhavat Prasadat,
Balotha Bhavat Prasadat, Balotha Bhavat Prasadat,
अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत्
अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत्
किल जीवदेहान्
किल जीवदेहान् किल जीवदेहान्
स्थास्नूनि
स्थास्नूनि स्थास्नूनि
भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम्
भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम्
जातिं मनुष्य
जातिं मनुष्य जातिं मनुष्य
निवहानपि देवभेदान्
निवहानपि देवभेदान् निवहानपि देवभेदान्
वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात्
वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात्
अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान्
अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान्
स्थास्नोनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम्
स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम्
जातिं मनुष्य निवहानपि देवभेदान्
जातिं मनुष्य निवहानपि देवभेदान् जातिं मनुष्य निवहानपि देवभेदान् वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् जातिं मनुष्य निवहानपि देवभेदान्.
Very good. Move on to the next shloka, second shloka. Arambhana. मिथ्याग्रहास्मि
मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मिथ्याग्रहास्मि
मतिराग
मतिराग मतिराग
विकोपभीतिः
विकोपभीतिः विकोपभीतिः
अज्ञानवृत्तिम्
अज्ञानवृत्तिम् अज्ञानवृत्तिम्
इति पञ्चविधाम्
इति पञ्चविधाम् इति पञ्चविधाम्
सृष्ट्वा
सृष्ट्वा
उद्दाम
उद्दाम उद्दाम
तामसपदार्थ
तामसपदार्थ
विधानदूनः
विधानदूनः
तेने त्वदीय चरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै मिथ्याग्रहास्मि
मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मिथ्याग्रहास्मि
मतिरागविकोपभीतिः
मतिरागविकोपभीतिः मतिरागविकोपभीतिः
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति
पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा
पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा
उद्दामतामस
उद्दामतामस उद्दामतामस
पदार्थविधानदूनः
पदार्थविधानदूनः पदार्थविधानदूनः
तेने त्वदीयचरण
तेने त्वदीयचरण तेने त्वदीयचरण
स्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै
स्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै स्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै
मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः
मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा
अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा
उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानदूनः
उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानदूनः उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानदूनः
तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै
तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानदूनः तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै.
Very good. So you see the first line, the word is one whole word. It is a long single word. So when I teach, I am splitting in the sense that there is no sandhi as such there. It is a whole samastapada, which we call as a compound word. But for easier pronunciation and while reading, if you want in the book, you can mark a line there across so that you know that those are words. Sometimes when you look at a big word, the brain does not process it fast. So when you're reading it, you become confused. So if you draw a line there, you know that is a word, that is a word. So when you're practicing, you will practice word by word, then it will become continuous. So for example, in this shloka here, you can draw a line after Mithyagrahasmi, and then one after Matiraga, then Vikopabhiti. So it becomes three simpler words. But that it is not that we can split it there according to Samskrita Vyakaran. But those are separate words as such, even in Samastapada. So you can draw a line there and then practice it that way. It becomes simpler. Then the whole thing will run on your tongue as Mithya Grahasmi Matiraga Vikopabhitihi. It will easily run. So that is why you can everywhere. So this while I am teaching, you can either have your book, whichever you might have, or you can take the printout of the PDFs. From now on, the PDFs will be updated quite before I take the lessons. So from 5 to 10, that didn't happen. In this week, I will update 11 to 15 also. So you can take the PDFs also, and because you take the PDFs before, the corrections that I tell in class also you can make on the same printout or in the books, whichever you have, if at all there are any corrections. And you can also draw such lines or semicolon or whatever that would help you read when you revise. Now I will revise the whole of the 9th Dashakam for recording, and then we will go on student recitation and question answers. So I will recite the whole of the 9th Dashakam. It's quite long. Atha Navamam Dashakam स्थितः स कमलोद्भवस्तवहिनाभिपङ्के रुहे कुतस्विदिदमम्बुधाबुदितमित्यनालोकयन् तदीक्षण कुतूहलात् प्रतिदिशं विवृत्ताननः चतुर्वदनतामगाद्विकसदष्टदृष्ट्यम्बुजाम् महार्णवविघूर्णितं कमलमेव तत्केवलम् विलोक्य तदुपाश्रयं तव तनुं तु नालोकयन् क एष कमलोदरे महति निस्सहायो ह्यहम् कुतस्विदिदमम्बुजं समजनीति चिन्तामगात् अमुष्य हि सरोरुहः किमपि कारणं सम्भवेत् इति स्म कृतनिश्चयः स खलु नालरन्ध्राध्वना स्वयोगबलविद्यया समवरूढवान् प्रौढधीः त्वदीयमतिमोहनं न तु कलेबरं दृष्टवान् ततः सकलनालिका विवरमर्गगोमर्गयन् प्रयस्य शतवत्सरं किमपि नैव सन्दृष्टवान् निवृत्य कमलोदरे सुखनिषन्न एकाग्रधीः समाधिबलमादधे भवदनुग्रहैकाग्रही शतेन परिवत्सरैर्दृढसमाधिबन्धोल्लसत्प्रबोधविशदीकृतः स खलु पद्मिनी सम्भवः अदृष्टचरमद्भुतं तव हि रूपमन्तर्दृशा व्यचष्टपरितुष्टधीर्भुजगभोगभागाश्रयम् किरीटमकुटोल्लसत्कटकहारकेयूरयुं मणिस्फुरितमेखलं सुपरिवीतपीताम्बरम् कलाय कुसुमप्रभङ्गलतलोल्लसत्कौस्तुभम् वपुस्तदयि भावये कमलजन्मने दर्शितम् श्रुतिप्रकरदर्शित प्रचुरवैभव श्रीपते हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्यादृशोः कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ कर्मठाम् इति द्रुहिणवर्णितः स्वगुणबंहिमा पाहि माम् लभस्व भुवनत्रयी रचनदक्षतामक्षताम् गृहाणमदनुग्रहं कुरु तपश्च भूयो विधे भवत्वखिलसाधनी मयि च भक्तिरत्युत्कटेत्युदीर्य गिरमादधा मुदितचेतसंवेधसम् शतं कृततपास्ततः स खलु दिव्यसंवत्सरान् अवाप्य च तपोबलम् अतिबलं च पूर्वाधिकम् उदीक्ष्य किल कम्पितं पयसि पङ्कजं वायुना भवद्बलविजृम्भितः पवनपाथसीपीतवान् तवैव कृपया पुनः सरसिजेन तेनैव सह प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयीं प्रववृते प्रजानिर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर त्वमाशु परिपाहि मां गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जगत्सृष्टिवर्णनं नाम नवमं दशकं समाप्तम्। नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. For the sake of practice, I'll just repeat the two shlokas that were taught today in the 10th Dashakam also, so that you can listen this week. वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् अम्भोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् जातिं मनुष्यनिवहानपि देवभेदान् मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानदो नस्तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणौ विशुद्ध्यै. Here also again, in a lot of books, you will see that it is Bhiti Rajnana. They would have given a hyphen after the first line. And then the second line will go as Rajnana Vrittimiti. So there the Sandhi can be split. So so that we can tell line by line easily, I have split it as Bhitihi Ajnana Vrittimiti. I think in most books or all books, you will see it as Bhiti Rajnana Vrittimiti. So since we are telling like this, that is not wrong. They have just joined the Sandhi there. Here we are not joining and we are continuing and telling it as Kopa Bhitihi Ajnana Vrittimiti Panchavidham. So I think those are some of the common doubts you may have. Anyway, now we will have some recitation. Yeah. Yeah. So we will have some recitation. I will put all your hands down and then you can lift up your hands. Wait for me to put all your hands down. Now I put all the hands down. You can raise your hands for recitation. Tell the shloka from 8.6 to 9.6. We will have 11 shlokas recitation. So 11 people will get a chance. Those who have not raised before, please try. I think from next week we can have some repetition of people in recitation. Because I hope at least one round will be over in 19 classes. And we will go from 8.6. Yes. M. Ravi, then I'll call Anandi Dehaleeshan. M. Ravi. You have to unmute yourself.
तवैव वेशे फणिराजशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने स्मशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवस्वरूपः स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा.
Very good. Only the first line, it was Phaniraji, not Phaniraja.
Okay.
Otherwise, good. Next, Anandi Dehaleeshan. After recitation, please mute yourself. Seventh shloka, please, Anandi. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Shruti Pragara Darshita Prasura Vaibhava Sripate.
Seventh shloka of 8th Dashakam, the one on the screen.
Oh, 8th. Chadur Yuganam. 7th. Kalakya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodayetyati Sata Kilatau Tvaya Prashuttam Parisukta Shakti Vrajena Tatra Kila Jivatamna.
Well, here it is not Prashuptam, it is Prasuptam, Saraswati Sa. Otherwise, good recitation.
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Next, I will call on Samiksha SP. Then I'll call V Rajan.
Ram Ram Ram.
Samich. Ram Ram.
Kalakya Shakti
Eight shloka, eight shloka.
Chaturyoganan cha sahasramevam Tvayi prasupte punaradvitiye Kalakya Shakti prathama prabuddha Prabodhayatvang kila Vishwanatha.
Excellent. Very good. Good.
Dhanyavada.
V Rajan. V Rajan. Then I'll call Akash Gupadavan. V Rajan, you're unmuted.
चतुर्युगानां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते ओके विभुज्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विलोक्य लोकानखिलान् प्रलीनान् त्वेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददात दृष्टिम्.
Very good. Wonderful. Very good. Well said. Akash Gumadavalli.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram. 10th shloka.
Tatasvadiya dhiyadayina pirandrat udanchidat kinchana divya padmam nila nishesha padarthamalam sanksheparupam mukulayamanam.
Tell the first pada again, only the first word.
Tatasvadiya dhiyadayina.
No, only tell only the first word.
Tatasvadiya dhayina birandrat.
When you read slowly, you're able to get it. So do not rush through. It is Tatastvadiyadayi. Okay, the first two times you told something.
Tatasvadiya dhayina birandrat.
So don't rush or don't become tensed. Slowly you recite, you will get it. Good, good recite.
Thank you.
Mandahasini. Mandahasini. Then I'll call Mukesh Bharat. Mandahasini. You are self-muted, Mandahasini. Okay, Mukesh Bharat. Let us see.
Ram Mandahasini. I am Mandahasini.
Yes, yes.
Ram,
Yes, yes. Shloka 11, please tell. Yes.
Tadastadiya. Tade tadamboruga kutmalam te kale paraddoya pade purudam bahir niritam parisapurat bihi swatam apetvantam amalam nayakridant.
Last line, repeat last line.
Swadam apetvantam amalam nayakridant.
There is no amalam. There is no amalam. Swadhama bhirdvanta malanyakrantat.
Swadam apetvantam alam nayakridant.
Nyakrantat.
Nayakridantat. Nayakridant.
Nyakrantat.
Nayakridantad.
Not naya.
Nayakridantad.
Tell only nya.
Nyakridant. Nyakridant. Ram Ram.
Here I forgot to change that va to ba. You told it correctly. Kale Bharat. Good. Then I said Mukesh Bharat. Yes. Then I call Surya Narayan Buddhukur.
Ram Ram Ramji.
Ram Ram. Yes.
Sampullapatre nitharam vichitre tasmin bhavat viryatrite saroje sapatma janma vidhira virasij swayam prabuddha kila vetarasihi.
Good recitation. This Prabuddha, the Dha came out very well. You missed out the Mahaprana Kha. Prabuddha Khila. It is two consecutive. Lot of good. Next, Surya Narayana. Then we go to Shyamala Kumar. after Surya.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
अस्मिन् परात्मन् अनुपाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्तमुत्थापित पद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमामरोगराशिं निरुन्दिवातालयवास विष्णो.
Very good. All are nice pronunciation. Only the Mahapranas in the second line you can give more stress. Swamithamutthapita. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dhanyavadaha, sir.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha, sir.
Dhanyavada. Shyamala Kumar, 9th Dashakam, first shloka. Then I'll call Umakriti. Shyamala Kumar, please unmute yourself. Yes. You can decide. You are muted. Shyamala Kumar. I'm not able to hear you, though you are unmuted on both sides. Umakriti?
Namaste Mahodaya. Namaste Mahodaya. Stitas Kamalodbhavas Davagina Vipankeruge Kudas Viditam Ambuda Vidita Mityanalokayan Tadiksha Kuduhalad Pradidisham Vibruddhananaga Sadurvadana Dhamaga Vigasadashta Drishyam Bhujam.
Very good. The whole thing was good. Only the first word in the third line. Tadikshana kutuhalat. You missed out the nakara there.
Tadikshana kutuhalat pradidisham.
Correct.
Pradidisham vibruddhananaha.
Yes. Good.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Thank you. Shyamala Kumar, I am still not able to hear you. We will go on to Venkateshwaran Gopala. Then I'll call Vijay Lakshmi Parthasar. Ram.
Sir, this Namaskar, sir.
Namaste.
Maharnavavadithurnitam kamalameva tatkevalam vilokya tadupashrayam tavatanuntulanalokayan kayesha kamalodare mahati nissahayo hyaham kutas viditamambujam samajaniti chintamagat.
Very good. So the whole thing you recited well. Only the first word, it is Vigurnitam, not Dha. It's Ghakar.
Yes. Thank you.
Good. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi.
Namaste Guruji, can you hear me?
Yes.
Amushya hi saroruha kimapi karanam sambhavet iti smakrita nishtayassa khalu nalana randhradvana swayoga balavidyaya samavarudhavan praudhadihi tvadiyamati mohanannatu kalevaran drishtavan.
Repeat only Nalarandhradvana.
Khalu nalarandhradvana.
Okay. In some places, slightly that Mahaprana is going off. Just concentrate on that. Otherwise, good recitation.
Thank you.
Shloka 4, Raha Ram Mohan. Then I'll call Chitra Tyagarajan. Radha Ram Mohan. Yourself muted.
Yes, sir. Namaste, sir. Yes, sir. You can hear me now?
Namaste. Yes, I
can. Tatas sakala nalika vivara marga go margayan prayasya shatavattaram kimapi naiva sadrishtavan nivritya kamalodhare sukanishanna ekagradhihi samadhi balamadhate bhavadanugrahaikagrahi.
Very good. Good recitation. Yes. Nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chitra Tyagarajan. Then I'll call Anurag. Anurag. Shloka 5.
शतेन परिवत्सरै बन्धोलसत् प्रबोधविशदीकृतः सकलु पद्मिनी सम्भवः चरमद्भुतं तव हि रूपमन्तर्दृशा वेच्छष्टपत् परितुष्टधीर्भुज गभोगभागाश्रयम्.
So what is happening is, in some places, the ones that are not Mahapranas are getting Mahapranas. I just want you to repeat from the first line, Bandholasat till Prabodha Vishadikritah. Only that part. Repeat that part.
Okay, yeah. Sammadhita Bodhana, Adlinda. Which one?
Samadhi Bandholasat.
Okay. Samadhi Bandholasat Prabodha Vishidadhikritah. Vishadikritah.
That first word you tell, Prabodha Vishadikritah.
Prabodha Vishadikritah. Prabodha
So when you tell it separately, it is coming. When it is coming together, it is getting a little off here.
Mahaprana, Bha and Mahaprana. Okay, I need to practice that. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Exchange. That's good. Shloka 5, Shloka 6, Anuradha, last shloka for today.
Ram Ram.
Ram.
किरीटमुकुटोल्लसत्कटकहारकेयूरयुक्मणिस्फुरितमेकलं सुपरिवीतपीताम्बरं कलायकुसुमप्रभं गलतलोत्सतकौस्तुभं वपुस्थधै भावये कमलजन्मे दर्शितम्.
The first line, we change from Mukuta to Makuta. Both are same meaning. No, nothing wrong with what you said. But we are following Makuta. Nothing wrong. And in the last part of that, it is Keyurayung Manispurati, not Yuk. You cannot tell Yuk. You have to say Keyurayung Mani. Keyurayung Mani. Yes. Kakha Gagha Na. That's it. Good.
Rama.
That Rama. The revision for today. Now I'll put all your hands down. If you have questions, raise your hands. Only for questions, if you have, raise your hands. If there are no questions, we will end the class. Any questions? Please. Okay, wait. I have not put everyone's hands down. Now I put everyone's hands down. Raise your hands if you have questions. Okay. Jyoti Shanai. Yourself muted. Then I call Jayalakshmi Ganesh. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Good morning, Guruji. I have two questions. In the Dashakam, wait 1 second. In the Dashakam 9th one, the ninth sloka, the second line, that na gets added to the first line in the end, is it? Can you just repeat that?
This is very similar to what I explained in that 10th shloka last, because that is Sandhi and here it is just Samyoga. Yeah, here also it is Divya Samvatsaran Avapya. It is 2 words. Okay. Usually in all the books that are printed, what they do is they give Samvatsara, put a hyphen and then Navapya.
Yeah.
I don't know why they do that. I don't know why that kind of thing is done in the books. But if we split, this is not even a sandhi for that matter. It's just 2 words come to be teacher.
Yeah. So, and in the 10th
quarter, this is the best way to tell. So,
okay. And in the 10th Dashakam, the first also, the second line is Dambo. So in my book.
Yeah. That is the sandhi again. Bhavat Prasada Dambhoja. Yes. Yeah. There again we are splitting the sandhi so that we are able to stop at that quarter. So the idea is to take a breath at each quarter if possible. So if at all that Sandhi splitting there is possible by Vyakaran, there is no Chando Bhanga, there is no problem with the Chandas, then we might as well split the Sandhi and then tell the Shloka.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So that is why we are written. So you're right, in all the books it will be like that. As you say, only it will be. So
Yeah,
you
and
can put these in brackets so that it is easier for you to revise.
yeah, because there is no he also after that. There are no two dots after the
Yes, yes.
that. Yeah. Thank you, Guruji. Ram Ram.
Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, then I'll call Gangi.
Namaskaram, Mahoday.
Namaskaram.
Mine is first shloka of 10th Dashakam. Third line is given here as Bhuruha Mayani instead of Mayani.
No, that will not work. Mayani is Nakara. Tatha Dadha Na.
Na only it is.
Yeah. The one on the screen. That is correct.
Okay. That is the thing here. Thank you so much. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Gangeet, then I'll call Flowerwell. Gangeet, you're self-muted. Yes.
ராம் ராம், எனக்கு வந்து தசகம் 8th ஸ்லோகத்துல தேர்ட் லைன் வந்து கடைசியில இந்த பத்திர கடை அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லணும்? யுதீரியன்னு சொல்லணுமா?
அது எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே தான் படிக்கணும். As it is படிங்கோ.
ஓகே.
சொல்லி கொடுக்கும்போதுதான் நான்
தமிழ் புக்ல வந்து கடை தி போட்டு அப்புறம் உதீரிய போட்டிருக்கு. தி போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் உதீரிய.
அங்க நிறுத்தினா உத்கடேதி அப்படின்னு நிறுத்தி உதீர்ய அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். நிறுத்தாதையே தான் சொல்ல போறோம். அதனால பக்தி ரத்கடே யுதீர்ய அப்படின்னு புஸ்தகத்துல எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே படிக்கணும்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ராம் ராம்.
Flower Valley, then I'll call Panchanadam Swami. Flower Valley.
Ram Guruji. In the 10th Dashakam, last 4th line, Jatir Manushya Nivahanabi Deva Bhedana, the Jati Manushya Nivahanabi Deva Bhedana.
Manushya. நீங்க முதல்ல சொன்னது என்ன? What was it you said first?
Jatir Manushya Nivahanabi.
Jatir. Okay, that is also possible, not wrong. It is another patha, but we will keep to this one. Jatin Manushya Nivahana.
Okay, Dhanyawad. Thank you.
Panchanadam Swaminathan. Then I'll call Vatsala Jambunathan. Ram.
I have a follow-up question on what you said. Jatir is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Jatihi is a Pratama. So how does it fit there? Meaning what?
She does not have Jatihi. She has Jatihi.
I thought she said Jatir Manushya. Rakara. Jatir Manushya.
Manushya Nivahanapi. Or even Jatihi, it can be. You are right. In Dvitiya Vibhakti is more apt here. But in some cases, they make the meaning along with the Prathama Vibhakti also. Jatir Manushya Nivahanapi also. The Sanskrit Vyakarana Panditas will twist the meaning a little bit here and there and then somehow put it there. That's
okay.
Places that will work. In all places it will not work like that. Yes.
If you go to the previous Dashaka, there is 9 on verse number 6. See, the first line in the several versions I see, Kahara Keyur Yug Manish Puritam. Yug, Nakaranta they put. But then you are using Nakaranta. So, is there a difference in the meaning or it's okay allowed? Or?
No, it is not the meaning difference. The word is actually Yug only. Yug is the word there. But that whole thing is a Samastapada. Starting from Kirita Makuta till the end of Spurita Mekhalam, it is one single compound. Samastapada it is. So that is Keyurayum Mani. So yuk plus mani, because of sandhi, it becomes yung mani. The kakara becomes the fifth, the panchama varna, anunasika. So it is yung mani. That is why this is the way to tell.
Thank you. Dhanyavada. That's all my questions. This is beautiful. Your teaching is fantastic.
Thank you. Namaste. Vatsala Jampunathan. Then I'll call Srilata.
I am from, we are from Bombay. We are going to America next week. So if you want to continue, we'll be in New York and then to Chicago. So how do we continue with the lesson from there? I want to continue the classes from America, USA.
It will be same. So this timing we have chosen because it is morning in the USA, Saturday morning. And many people, for example, even Swaminathan sir and many, there are almost half the classes from the US and Canada.
Oh, okay.
So it will be around, it depends. See, there are 4 time zones in America. I think it starts from about 4:30 or 5 o'clock up to around 8 o'clock in US. And then if the time zone changes from outside daylight, then it might change by an hour or so. But yeah, it is. It will be Saturday morning in America, so you can still attend.
Okay, that one. And secondly, one more question. In Dashakam 9, the sloka number 5, Satena Parivatsarai Trida Samadhi Pantosalat Prabodha Vishay. It is a continuous one, or how do you say that way?
Yes, it is continuous. You should not stop there. Starting from Trida Samadhi Pantosalat Prabodha Vishadi Kritaha is one word.
Sakalu Padmi Nisambhava. Then it comes there. Padmi Nisambhava.
It's separate. Then Sakalu Padmi.
I got a Tamil version book, but when I read something and looking at your script and reading, the English comes in between, so I'm not able to follow the English separation of the words. So I want to know which one I should follow.
So wherever on the screen there is a hyphen, then you have to tell it together. In the book, sometimes they put a hyphen even during Sandhi. But if I have put hyphen on the screen, that means it is Samastapada. It has to be said together.
Okay. So we mark it in our textbook when we are reading from Tamil book.
Yes.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank
you. Srilata, then I call RTH Ulluri, or I don't know how to read that. Srilata, yes.
Namaskaraha Mahodaya.
Yes.
I follow the Telugu script, but in Telugu script, numbering and Devanagari script numbering are different. I don't know.
Okay, which numbering from? Is the problem there from the beginning, or is it in some places? Or some
actually, like Dashakam 9, 10, I noticed, and I usually follow Devanagari script on the web thing which you post it, and also my script on the other Telugu thing. So I noticed 10, 9, probably the previous ones also like that. I am going to check because I don't know the 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbering, the Devanagari, even in Telugu script also it is in Devanagari, but the numbering, the how do I explain?
Just compare. So whatever you're saying, you just send me a mail. I will look into it. What is the problem there, and I will correct it.
See, for one it shows Dashakam, it's opposite 9 symbol and 0, whereas here it shows like a half moon shape upside down and 0.
Okay, I will look into it. I will see what you're saying. You just send me those. You just write a mail and tell me what the issue is, in which shloka, or you just give me an example. I will compare both and see if the error is there also.
Maybe in Sanskritam 1, 2, 3, I may not know. That's why I always compare the similar script thing, but it's not matching. I will send it to you.
I will look into it and then I will get it.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
RTHULLURIS.
Yes.
Then Lakshmi
Ram.
I can hear you.
Okay. Namaste. Ninth sloka, 9th dashakam, 8th sloka. लभस्व भुवनत्रयी रचनदक्षतामक्षताम्.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah, that is correct. Labhasu bhavanatrayi rachana dakshatam.
In the next line,
oh, you went on to, you muted again. Sorry. Now yes.
in the second line, Gruhana Madanugraham Kurutascha Bhuyo Vidhe. Kurutascha. It is tapascha, it is written. Which is correct? Or both are is talking?
Yes, it is tapascha. Yes.
But in the Telugu script, one which I follow, because I cannot fluent in Sanskrit, Guru Tascha it is written. I will correct it then.
No, you have to correct it because
there is no tapascha.
It has to be tapascha.
It is written.
No, Guru tapascha. Guru tapascha.
Okay.
Vishnu is telling Brahma do tapas again. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Last question for today, Lakshmi Sundara Rajan. Lakshmi Sundara Rajan.
Ram Acharya.
Ram.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
This is in shloka number 3 of Dashakam 9. In the first line,
yes.
The last word, the sam bhavet, but it's written as sam vet. Is that a full B? I mean, the bha has to be a full bha, or is it a half bha?
It is sam bhavet. I didn't notice it. Thank you. Yes, it is sam bhavet. It is a full bha and full bha. Correct. I will correct. Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Thank you all. Sarvebhyaha Shubharatri. Ram. See you all in the next class. Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.